I'm Kim Mixon.
And I'm Tom Maldonado.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to check out this video tour. Welcome to 6206 Abbey Drive in Columbus, Georgia. This stunning and stylish home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and almost 1,700 square feet on a terrific corner lot with side entry garage. The fantastic updates throughout are impressive, and the fresh, neutral colors can easily accommodate any decor. Both bathrooms are totally updated, and each bedroom offers great space and closet storage. This master retreat is tranquil, and the ensuite bath is perfection. The backyard offers plenty of room to run, and this home is across the street, just steps away from the neighborhood pool. This is 6206 Abbey Drive in North Columbus. Come check it out.